Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. In here, I will be showing you how this awesome shape was reversed. This was at this shape before, and then before I changed it to this time. It's very important for all crafters to have an idea of how you can change your shape of the last. Telling me to see how I was able to arrive at this from the shape that it was before to this particular one. So once you want to modify, it's very important to come to your back and then that sketching of what you want to do, the shape you want it to be underneath. You have it sketched underneath it. You have it sketched underneath it. What this is going to do for you is that it's going to make you have or know where you are going to and what you need to exceed out of here. So you want to change this to a round mouth. That's what I want to change this to. So to start with, we've marked this to be a rounded project. So we now come to the machine to start. But now, so to start with, after I've get this mark out, I will be tracing that mark to ground it. This is very important because there are sometimes that you have bulk of glass and you just need to change the shape to a modern one or a new thing. If you are not using it, just like the way we are not using this one again, you want to change it, you just need to change it. So that is why this modification is very, very important. So you come in this way. You want to walk alongside this, that line that was marked. So we want to walk along that. So okay, that is on that base now. So come in here again. Try as much as possible to have a straight hand. Okay, yes. We get this around this so it has go at the round shape we want it. Move away from this. It has moved away from this square mouth to a round mouth. So this now can go for my ballerina flat. For me to get this thing at the same size of this, I can come in here to use this to gauge it. This way to gauge it and mark it. But the best thing I can do to get it so accurate is I come into this base and mark this base out completely and then position it here to mark it. So that is when I'm going to get the accurate base up. I now pick my pencil. I pick my pencil to do this, to mark around the edge. To mark around the edges. So once this goes around the edges, it's giving me the actual measurements of the base of this project, of this. So I just come in here to open this up completely. I'm opening this up completely right now. This on this. This, I come to trace this out. have this. So the next, so this is it. So as you can see, this is equal. This is goes around the shape. So this is where it's we just need to cut out of it. So right in here I have that. Know that it is the front that just need to be adjusted. So I have that. So I've gotten the front out, gotten the full thing out. So I just need to adjust this right now on the bench grinder. Now so I'll just thank you so much for watching to this time. Hope you like what you see. You can see it's quite easy and you can get your shoe rack, last rack change at every point. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Why subscribe? On the notification bell for you to be notified when I also release awesome video on this my last autonomy series. When I release awesome videos like that on this platform. I'm Sunday Wale and I look forward to having you in my subsequent report.